Hi guys, today I'm going to be making slime with shampoo, this kid shampoo, and some toothpaste. Okay, so first is what you're going to need is a mixing bowl. I got this. And then you're going to be needing something to mix in. Okay, the first ingredient that you need is the shampoo. You're going to need to pour a little bit. I'm only going to pour a little bit in, guys. And then you're going to pour in some toothpaste. Mine is a little bit hard to put toothpaste in, but it's okay. It needs to be a lot because it depends on how much slime you're going to make. If you make a little bit, then you should put a little bit. Okay, so this is how it's going to be looking. Like this. Okay, let me start mixing it. Okay. So I'm mixing it and it's already turning into slime. It takes like it's 20 to 30 minutes that you have to mix it. If it doesn't get a good mix, if it doesn't get a good mix, then it's not going to be really good slime. Mix it. So it's going to turn out to be slime, but it'll be some good slime at least, because if you mix it a long time, it wouldn't turn into good slime. You can put it in the refrigerator if you want to, and for less than 5 minutes. And also you guys could put a little bit of salt in there, only if you guys want. If you guys don't, then you guys don't need to. It depends how much slime you're making, and don't put too much salt because your slime will get watery. This is not the first time I made slime. I made slime with shampoo for a long time. And then I also made some other slime. Different kinds of slimes, guys. So yeah, it's a lot of slime. So yeah, and we mix it because you want to get a good consistency of it. So mixing it. Make sure that you mix it, guys. Please mix it. If you guys don't mix it that good, it won't turn good. Okay? And this is the slime that you would want to get. This one right. You want to get this one right here. This one's slime. Sorry, it's just that it froze a little bit, but yeah. This is the slime that you want to get. I put them in crazy containers. I don't use the containers that they use. I use different containers since it's a little bit more easier to make it. See, it only sticks on your hand a little bit. You guys could see that it sticks on your hand a little bit. You could play with it. It doesn't really matter how much you play with it. Okay, now I'm going to mix them both in. I hope they don't turn into anything odd or weird. Well, they're not supposed to because they're the same. So, just putting it all in, guys. Okay. Now, all I need to do is start mixing it. You guys could see that it's getting into slime already. You guys, I put the other slime, this one, the one that was in this container. I put it in only 2 minutes in the refrigerator. Well, it won't take that long, but I want it to. It wouldn't take that long. It would take like 1 or 2. It would only take 2 minutes or less. Just make sure that you don't put it more than 5, okay? Put a timer if you need to, guys, because I know you guys forget all about your slime. So, this is the slime that I made, guys. Slime. Hope you guys like my video. Bye!